After cleaning, the materials are crushed into smaller pieces to increase the surface area for oil extraction. The crushed material is then cooked or heated, a step that helps in softening the material and breaking down cell structures, making it easier to extract the oil. The heated material is subsequently pressed using mechanical presses, which apply significant pressure to squeeze out the oil. In some cases, solvent extraction is used after mechanical pressing to recover any remaining oil. The crude oil obtained from these processes contains impurities such as phospholipids, gums, and solid particles. To refine the oil, it goes through a series of treatments including degumming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization. Degumming removes gums and phospholipids. Neutralization eliminates free fatty acids using an alkali solution. Bleaching uses activated carbon or clay to remove color pigments. Throughout this process, the principles of physics and chemistry are applied to ensure efficient separation and purification. For instance, the use of heat alters the physical properties of the plant material, while chemical reactions help in refining the oil. These principles allow for the production of high-quality plant oils suitable for culinary and industrial applications. The entire process is carefully monitored to maintain consistency and optimize resource utilization.